Well, here we go, another episode of Silly Sausages on Dashcam.
Okay.
This is me just coming past
This will get
Asda.
sent on email, yes?
How on earth this car fails to see me pulling out, I have no idea. It just boggles the bloody mind, man. This is just ignorance again. Yep, just going to block you from coming out. No wonder you get tailbacks right the way up Newtown Road.
Seriously?
Get a bit angry there, like, but it just really annoys me, people being ignorant.
Where's your brains?
It's just no need, man. This one is just the roundabout from hell. 5 road ends, which nobody has a clue how to drive. Give way to the right, very rarely exists on here, as you'll see in a minute. There we go. I'm just going to go my own way. What the hell?
Sausages that drive in the city. Huh?
Yeah, these are the slow morons on a 60-mile-an-hour road. Notice me speed at the bottom, 37 mile an hour. And this literally happens nearly every day when I'm coming to and from work. And there's no tractors and out in front. If you're one of those drivers, let us know in the comments below why you drive like that. If you're in limp mode, understandable, but not every single car can be on bloody limp mode.
35. And your license back
Yep.
in, please.
Them signs are circles with the diagonal black line in. It's the national speed limit.
Do they not know what the national speed limit means? See that circle with that diagonal?
11 degrees.
This is just pedestrians again. This lass pushing a pram. She's clearly not on green, man. She's just decided to walk out.
When you're not on green, man, on the fucking road, you've got
Totally responsible, especially with a pram as well, pushing a bairn. This is, if I remember rightly, so I think this is a tractor that cheekily runs the red light because he can. Well, he thinks he can. Yeah, cheeky.
There's 11 games left, 12 games left, whatever it is.
I'm trying to remember what happens in this one again. Oh yeah. Someone else who doesn't understand what the colour of red light means. Temporary traffic lights on Eastern Way. What the hell? Not bothered if anybody's coming the other way, I'm just going to put my foot down. More red light runners. This is coming down from Botcherby. Unbelievable, isn't it? Very wet day. Yes, me wipers do come on. I think if I remember rightly, so this is just once again very bad signalling, no indication at all.
Indication.
And this, with the traffic oncoming, you're not allowed to turn right, and there's a big sign that tells you, and that blue car seems to think otherwise, blocking traffic behind from going through their green light. If I remember rightly, so this is the yeah, he just comes through another red light, and he even gives us a funny look as well when he drives past, as if to say like I was in the wrong because I went through a green light.
So there's pluses and minuses in there for both.
Nuts, man.
Pitches are much better now than they were in the night.
Advert or?
More red light runners. I mean, this is all in just 1 week.
Yeah.
In driving me taxi. Yes, I went through on amber.
Just run the red light.
So I'm allowed to do this, and then I stop at the turn right bit, give way here. Other drivers don't think.
I get about 30 or 40 clips a week.